Hello, my dear students. Welcome to the class of science. Today, we are going to discuss about something really very interesting and very important for you. Moon and phases of moon. But before starting this topic, have you ever seen the night sky? What do you see at the night in the sky? There are so many stars. So, the universe includes all the stars, planets, and galaxies, and its size is unknown. However, there is a spherical region of the universe that can be observed from the Earth, which is called observable universe. This observable universe comprises of different physical objects that occur naturally on its own. These objects are called celestial objects. For example, the sun, the moon, the stars, the planets in our universe, in our solar system, they all are called celestial objects. Astronomy is the study of these celestial objects and the phenomena associated with them. It is said to be one of the oldest sciences in the world. Now let's discuss about the moon. The moon that we see almost every night is a natural satellite of Earth. This means that the moon revolves around the Earth in a regular path. The gravitational attraction between the Earth and the natural satellite's moon holds it in its orbit. Just like Earth, other planets of the universe of the solar system also have their own moons or natural satellites. Also, I would like to tell that the moon do not emit light of its own, but it reflects the light of the sun that falls on it. However, as the moon revolves around the Earth, the part of the moon that faces the sun gets light up while the other parts remains in dark. This results in the different shapes of the moon in the sky. So, what's the surface on the Earth? What there is on the surface of the moon? The moon's surface is covered by rocks and loose dirt, which can called the lunar soil. Like as we said, the soil on the Earth is commonly called the soil, and the soil which is present in the moon is called the lunar soil. It is a pockmarked with craters of different sizes because of the meteors that hit its surface. On Earth, these meteorites burn up in our atmosphere because they reach the ground, before they reach the ground. But this off height has no atmosphere, so it is observed with large craters on its surface. Because there is no air, there is no life on the moon. And we all know that the first person to walk on the moon, to land on the moon, was Neil Armstrong, and the second who followed his steps was Edwin Aldrin, and they walked on the moon for the first time in 1969. So now let's discuss about the phases of the moon. This is a very interesting natural phenomena. These shapes of the lit part of the moon are called the phases of moon. Like you are saying new moon and full moon. New moon means that we have Amavas that day. As the moon increases, and full moon means Purnima, in which we are able to see the full moon. The phases of the moon repeats themselves after every 29 days, and there are 8 major moon phases. The day when we see the whole moon in the sky is called full moon day, that is Purnima. On this day, the sunlight falls on all over the moon. Now the moon revolves and changes its position. The part which receives the sunlight starts to decreases and the moon appears as it is getting thinner. On the 15th day after a full moon, the moon becomes completely invisible as no light on the sun over its due to its position behind the earth. This is called the new moon day. We are not able to see any moon on a new moon day, and that is called Amavas. The next day the moon appears in the sky is called the crescent moon. From this day, the moon starts growing larger until the 15th day when it reaches its full shape, that is the full moon day comes. Waxing and waning are the two phases of the moon. Waxing means the moon is growing and waning means the moon is shrinking. If the moon is getting brighter from the right, it is waxing, and if the moon is dark on the right, it is called waning. During waxing, the phase of the moon is in which it increases its size, and in waning it decreases in its size. So can you hear the sound on the moon? How astronauts talk in the moon, on the surface of the moon? As we know that there is no atmosphere on the surface of the moon, there is no gas present on the moon that could act as a medium for the propagation of sound, because as we have studied in the previous classes that sound needs some medium for its propagation, and there is no medium present on the surface of the moon. So astronauts of the moon cannot hear each other. Generally they use signs or they use microphone to communicate with each other. So this is all for the moon and phases of moon. I hope you like the video. Thank you so much.